Trump's plan to replace failing Obamacare in tatters after senators bail on health bill. Donald Trump wants to simply scrap Obamacare and start again after his current healthcare bill was dealt a fatal blow following additional dissent within the Republican Party. Senate Majority Leader Mitch McConnell blamed unprecedented obstructionism and announced that the upper chamber would vote on a bill to simply repeal Obamacare without any replacement in the coming days. Senators Mike Lee and Jerry Moran each announced on Monday night via Twitter that they could not support the healthcare bill in its current form, effectively torpedoing the revised version of the bill. Mr. Moran said, "We should not put our stamp of approval on bad policy. Furthermore, if we leave the federal government in control of everyday healthcare decisions, it is more likely that our healthcare system will devolve into a single-payer system, which would require a massive federal spending increase." The Republicans do hold a 52-48 majority in the Senate, but with 4 GOP members opposed, alongside all the Democrats, it is now impossible for the party to muster the 50 votes needed to bring the bill to the floor. In a tweet following the loss of support for the Senate Republican bill, Trump said, "Republicans should just repeal failing Obamacare now and work on a new healthcare plan that will start from a clean slate. Democrats will join in." Democrats have insisted that they will not cooperate with any Republican legislation that repeals President Barack Obama's landmark healthcare law, but would work in a bipartisan way to improve it. At a dinner with Republican senators on Monday evening, Mr. Trump reportedly said the party would look like dopes if they couldn't pass the bill. According to a source, Mr. Trump said, "If the Republicans have the House, Senate and the presidency and they can't pass this health care bill, they are going to look weak. How can we not do this after promising it for years?" When asked whether the White House knew further defections were coming, the official said, "Why would we have a dinner like that if we knew people were going to drop out?" The White House has spent nearly 7 months on a health care overhaul, with hopes it would ease the path to tax reform later. In a statement, the Senate Democratic leader, Chuck Schumer, said, "This second failure of Trump care is proof positive that the core of this bill is unworkable." Rather than repeating the same failed, partisan process yet again, Republicans should start from scratch and work with Democrats on a bill that lowers premiums, provides long-term stability to the markets and improves our healthcare system.